There we go. What are you doing, Ray? I bet now you're not going to roll over. Or are you going to try? He's going to look at Mummy. Oh, no. What's going on? Say hi, Bubba. Hello. Hey, nice work. Now you're stuck. Back over. There's not enough room in that cot for you anymore. Yeah, you still gotta learn how to get back again, don't you? That's okay.